Okay, as we are stuck indoors, I need to get these acrylic cloths and I can't go to the shop. So I'm going to try to do it on my own. I have here some very warm water, and I just went to the pharmacy. This actually is pure acetone. It says artificial nail and tip remover. I think it'll be a lot better than normal nail varnish, but this won't work, I don't think, with acetone free. I'm going to sit here and soak them for a while. So let me get a long YouTube video up. Watch a bit of Tamara, and I'm going to pour a bit of this in there. And I've got a wide bowl so I can soak all 10 nails at the same time. Let's see how long it takes. Oh, let me actually tell you, I don't know if you can see there, but one of them focus on it. Well, this one is already coming off, so I need to do this. Is it painful? Oh, I forgot to do one more thing before. One more thing before I do that. I'm going to try and cut off the ends of the acrylics, which is going to be very hard. But just so it can hopefully seep in. These are normal nail clippers. Oh, wow, that hurts. Now I definitely have to get them off flat. It's weird. Okay, now that I can see they're all closer to my nail. Oh, wow. I spill it everywhere is what I do. Thank God I don't get it all over my laptop. Okay, I'm gonna add some more acetone in here. I hope this works. I'm just winging it. I think this water is warm enough. So I'm gonna parboil some water and put it in. Okay, didn't let it boil all the way. It's just definitely very hot. So I'd be very careful with this, but I'm mixing it with cold water. So when it activates, let's see how this goes. Can I touch it? Feels like it's doing something, but I could add more. Okay, let's go. Okay, I need to get cold water. I'm going to take some tweezers, and if I can see that I can scrape the bottom of it up, I'm going to try, just so that I can get more of the acetone into it. Then it's more likely to come up, yeah, because I can feel it coming up a bit more. So I'm going to try that. Oh, a bit snapped off there, that's good. I'm not going to force it to where it hurts, but if I can feel it coming up, I'm going to let it. So I don't know if you can see this, but I'm able to get the tweezer, and these are not the tools I'm supposed to be using, but it's all I've got, up underneath. So when I soak it more, hopefully it will come up more and more. Because I don't want to force it, because obviously it's stuck to me. And it will push up my actual nail. But I'm not forcing them. I think I'm going to concentrate on one hand at a time. So I'm going to re-soak this hand. And then see how it goes. Got one of this ripped up practically my nail with it here. So I'm gonna cut that off. I don't have a nail file, so it's gonna have to stay like this. 2 down, 7 to go. If I feel like it's getting a bit tough, I'm gonna add more hot water. That activates acetone a bit. I might add a little bit more acetone as well. I have one on this finger that I think is going to come off very easily. I found this in my nail kit and I'm using the end quite fine to like scrape them off if I can, or to just get under there. Getting it to detach from the nail bed is fine, it's getting it to detach from the nail that's grown out. But we've got another one. My poor nails are in such poor condition. This will give it a bit of time to get back to its healthy state. Got it, all 5. To be honest, I thought it was going to look a lot worse, but one hand down, one hand to go. So I'm going to add some more hot water. So because this thing is like plastic and not really sharp enough to get under there, like for the initial push, I'm using tweezers to see if I can. This is also my left hand, which is a bit harder. But if I can get in there, it's good because it means the acetone can get further in. It's like breaking this seal of the acrylic. And as I've soaked them a little bit before, the seal should soften up. This hand is a lot harder to do. I might need a bit more acetone. Apparently you need a lot of acetone for this. But I wouldn't put your hand straight into pure acetone. I mean, you can, but not this much. Actually, in the nail shop, what they do is they have a bowl of hot water with a small bowl on top of the acetone, and then you soak your hands directly in the acetone on top. I'm doing it this way, I don't know why, maybe I should have done it that way. I'm chipping bits away slowly if I can, like if I can get a bit under the tweezer, and then bend it up without bending my nail backwards. I'm trying to do that too. I mean, I'm probably struggling more because my left hand. But this is hard work. Oh, I got one. Got the baby finger. What I'm going to do, I'm going to clear out this water and do it again, because maybe it needs fresh water. This hand is being stubborn. Oh, I should probably put this down on my wooden table. Okay. Quite hot for me, so I need to add some cool water. That's okay for me to get my hand in. Oh yes, we've got another one. It's completely ripping my actual nails, but they'll grow back. At least I don't have to worry about them growing out too far. And also it just hurts when they grow out too much and the skin flips back on your nail bed when they get too long. Oh, we've got the thumb too. 2 more to go. And this is for sure the one that I hurt today. It's very red and sore. But, okay, they're all off. There's a lot of layers of my nails that are gone. I wouldn't say that this is the best thing you can do. I'm definitely not a professional by any means, but I don't have the tools to do it properly. This is all I had, and they were hurting every time I did just normal everyday stuff like laundry or something like that. One of the nails would get caught and then it would yank it and it was just becoming more and more painful. So this is what I've done to remove my acrylic. Hopefully you guys figure out a way, or you have a nail technician living in your house. They are some sad looking nails. I might go see if I can get some nail oil or something and put that on, but for now I'm leaving them to air out because they need it. So I don't think I'm going to put any nail polish on them for a little while. They're looking quite battered. So that's it for now. But probably more at home food vlogs. I'm probably just going to go and watch more TV now, to be honest. I'll see you soon.